Carcador. So, tá mid ag féchant an Blag seo a ríis. Now, léimar an Blag agus rinne tú na ceistena an Blag sin. Carcador. So, tá sé sin déanta inis. Next step is tá tú chun Blag a scríomh. Okay? So, féchant seo drastal tú Ócáid war scríomh postal Blag faoin Ócáid. Okay? So, grand. So, tusa ag scríomh Blag faoi seo. So, first things first, let's do a plan. Okay? So, féach Teams, féach plan, Ócáid war Spóirt. Agus an sin, tá plan an sin. Okay? So, Ócáid Spóirt, well, that could be cluiche Canis na hÉireann. It could be cluiche Canis Kisfella. It could be na cluiche Olympica. It could be, anything, ein rudder churbe. An lá agus an dáta. Okay? Scríbis jo céin lá a bhí ann. An dá éireann ag immert. So, cé atá ag immert. Will bailile á lia agus muo ag immert? No, an will Man United agus AC Milan. No, an will duine aigen. Lú Classí ag ri. I mean, are we at the cluiche Olympica here agus tá like Thomas Barr an rahí an will sé ag ri. Okay, so tá sé anna oscailta fad, right? It's up to you to decide what the Ócáid Spóirt is. Structure. Okay, so your structure, we're going to stick to this same structure here. Okay, so ólas faoin gluthe, information about the game. So, who we make with cluiche Canis. So that's just about a general overview. Riv an gluthe, before the game. How did you get the ticket? How did you travel to the game or to the Ócáid Spóirt, the sporting occasion? An cluiche, okay, cad a hórlas a cluiche. An cluiche má a bhí ann, an raibh sé go hiontach, okay, agus an sin tar éis an cluiche after the game. Okay, so that's your structure. You're going to fill that in there. Okay, now you're not on a kainte, very important. For ord level, for higher level, your phrases are so important. Okay, so where are we going to get to the nice list of na kainte? On show. Okay, so you are going to sort of harvest these and pick them for yourself, and then you're going to adapt them for your own one. So faker show. So hui may chuig cluiche Canis na hÉireann fell I Bork and Croquet. That's grand. That's just a standard informative sentence. They down ag Chicacha. Okay, last Sunday. That's a good, a phrase. They down ag Chicacha. And then Lanroig. Ní acha mé a lehéid de cluiche riamh. Okay, there's a really good one. Never have I seen a better game. I have never seen the likes of it. Okay, so that's why you need to go through féach an Blag seo. Okay, Lanroig and sin. It's absolutely just full of really good nachan kainte. So dairig le muo an láv an uachtar a all Kilwanton. Mayo succeeded in getting the upper hand. Okay, so instead of just saying vuig muo, tatuig úsáid nachan kainte. Okay, nuair tatu creek na Lanroig. Okay, scríomh an Blag seo. Okay, and just if you're looking for a roadmap, you go back to that blog, okay, and you use that as your roadmap, okay, to success. Yeah, sin and then queer is stock on Uber 8 teams. On what? Slán.